What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best blenders in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We'll kick things off today with a little something for all you folks aiming to save a few dollars, while also getting a decent quality item that will do the job right. Introducing the Hamilton Beach Power Elite, also known as the best budget blender that can be found in the market in 2021. The Power Elite multi-purpose model is great for blending classics like frozen drinks and smoothies, but is equally capable of tacking things like purees and sauces. This fellow will quickly become your favorite device in the kitchen for preparing many different types of dishes. Thanks to the onboard wave action system, specially designed to continuously pull the desired mixture of food and groceries towards the blades, you will get the smoothest possible results, all on the budget. A single mess-free spout with a hinged lid makes the process clean and efficient. The dishwasher-safe glass has been heat-tested to withstand any potential extreme temperature changes. To simplify the whole process, the device offers a set of 5 combination keys that clearly show what function button is designed to perform. You can quickly choose which one to press for each of the mixing tasks, from making smoothies and crushing ice to preparing foods such as purees, cubes, pieces, and graters. As for the tips, it should be pointed out that for the best performance, the minimum amount of liquid needed per cup is 1 cup, so around 8 ounces or 250 milliliters. Add more liquid if your mixture does not mix properly. To add food or liquid while the blender is running, open the hinged lid and add the ingredients through the opening. Hamilton Beach Power Elite boasts a mixing power of up to 700 watts, which is enough for a fairly strong ice crushing process. There are 12 different mixing functions, which is quite a versatile feat for the listed price tag. This product is quite easy to clean and maintain, as the blades are removed and together with the lid and jar can be washed in the dishwasher. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite comes in elegant black and has the size of 8.66 by 6.5 by 14.69 inches, while the weight is 5.62 pounds. For the listed price, color us thoroughly impressed. If you're in pursuit of the top bang for the buck, we say check this one out. We are looking at the Oster Blender Pro 1200, also known as the best value blender you can find in the market in 2021. Households with bigger appetites but limited counter space love the Oster Pro blender and its 5 serving cups. Sporting a cutting disc and a chopper, a 24-ounce cup, along with a glass blender jar, this fella delivers a lot in a convenient, fairly priced package. Also, the Oster Blender Pro 1200 offers a set of 3 programmed settings for green and frozen flakes, shredded food like salsas, as well as low, medium, and high speeds, and a pulsation option. Furthermore, this fella boasts double-sided knife technology so that the knives rotate back and forth for more efficient mixing. The Oster Blender Pro 1200 comes with smart tuning technology, allowing you to choose between 7 different food preparation speeds. There's also a pretty powerful engine that crushes ice, shreds vegetables, and turns frozen fruit into sorbet. The motor boasts a power of 1200 watts, while the 2-way blade further increases speed and power to achieve the best possible control and precision. This knife contains as much as a 50% larger blade system compared to its predecessor, which is awesome. There are also controls for smoothies and sauces that you can operate with just one touch. The product comes with a 6-cup glass dish that can easily be washed in the dishwasher. Also, the glass jar is heat resistant, so you don't have to worry. Oster Blender Pro 1200 comes in a brushed nickel finish and the size of 8.5 by 10.15 by 13.9 inches, while the weight is 7 pounds. For the listed price tag, you really can't beat this one. If you're looking for a blender that will give you the widest array of functions, we've specially selected the NutriBullet Blender Combo for you as the best versatile blender that can be found on the market in 2021. Known for its compact size, disposable pitcher, and strong mixing capabilities, NutriBullet products are basically food blenders for fruits, vegetables, and seeds. They can even grind walnuts. Most models have 1 speed and no programs, making them easy to use and practical. In fact, if you're wondering what makes NutriBullets different from other blenders, it's generally a simpler and smaller design. You can take smoothie glasses with you on the go, because you get lids so you can easily store and transport them. Good stuff. The company's blender technology increases the nutritious extraction from the ingredients, which is also one of the key features of this item. This blender also boasts 3 precise speeds, an extraction program, and a pulse function that secured absolute control at the touch of a button. The power of 1200 watts allows you to make an endless variety of sweets, soups, sauces, walnut butter, and much more. The NutriBullet blender combo comes with a blade extract specially made from cyclonic stainless steel. It is very easy to twist and turn so that you will not have any problems when storing food or maintaining it, because it can be easily washed with ordinary water and soap. For extra easy cleaning, the cups and pitchers can be easily washed in the dishwasher. The NutriBullet blender combo weighs 11.23 pounds, while the dimensions are 15.8 by 15.6 by 9.1 inches. It should be noted that the package includes the following components: one 64-ounce blender with lids, 1200-watt motor, one 24-ounce salt, one 32-ounce cup, one extractor blade, 2 lids, a recipe book, and instructions for use. This is a quality product worthy of your attention. It'll make your life healthier, and things like that are worth more than money. We decided to award the silver medal and the title of the best runner-up blender that can be found on the market in 2021 to the Ninja Professional Blender. We are looking at another solid option that can easily chop even the hardest fruits. Ninja Professional Countertop Blender is an affordable device that exceeds its modest price range. This fella justifies its name because it can be used both on a professional and regular basis. The construction is durable, and the manufacturer has used BPA-free materials. Many of the components can be safely used in a dishwasher. The device has a small footprint, but its height is 17 inches, meaning it might be difficult to install if there is a little space between the counter and the cabinet. The product is equipped with an 1100-watt motor, one of the most powerful on the market, which quickly turns any substance into a smoothie in just a few seconds. It offers the ability to make one or more smoothies and can easily switch from processing larger amounts of food to smaller ones. There are also 3 different speed settings. This allows for precise control and adjustment, meaning you won't have any problems making your perfect smoothie with this machine. There's also a unique service button that works with these 16-ounce cups that come with the device. This option is quite convenient. All you have to do is put the ingredients in a cup, screw the blade on, assemble the set, and click on One Serve. Of the additional features and benefits, the Ninja Professional Blender has a pulse function, as well as a cup of 72 grams for making larger portions. Also, the device comes with 6 sharp knives capable of grinding and mixing a vast variety of ingredients. Among other advantages, we should mention the Safe Start function to ensure optimal configuration. The package comes with a set of 2 cups of 16 ounces with disposable lid and blade, 72-ounce jug, powerful 1100-watt motor, warranty, and operating instructions. As for the shortcomings, some users pointed out that the square container is a little harder to clean in some cases. All in all, this is no major problem for this product thanks to its powerful performance that fully justifies its silver medal. Let us now proceed to the top, shall we? And finally, after all the reviews, opinions, and experiences, we have unanimously come to the conclusion that the Vitamix 5200 is the best overall blender that can be found in the market in 2021. We are looking at an extremely powerful blender with a flexible mixing force that can go up to 37,000 RPM. This power allows you to get very finely mixed smoothies with the creamiest of textures, and we just love it. It's not just about the smoothies, as the device can tackle raw ingredients and nuts with ease. Furthermore, one of the key features to put this fella on top is the fact that it stores all the nutrients. The Vitamix 5200 consists of a large base in which the motor is housed, comes in black, with a safe plastic container without integrated blades. Also included in the mix is a lid with a removable part and a large pusher so you can go through the hole on the lid without the risk of touching the blade. With this device, you can make smoothies, mashed potatoes, soups, sorbets, ice cream, vegetable milk, raw pastries, and much more. Ease of cleaning Vitamix is also top level, especially if you use it every day. Just add a few drops of dishwashing liquid, pour some water, and this appliance will clean itself in just 30 to 60 seconds. The product comes in the size of 8.75 by 7.25 by 20.5 inches, while the weight is 10.56 pounds. What we like about this product is that it comes with a tamper specially designed for processing all those stubborn and thick mixtures. There is no need to stop the machine to collect and scrape the leftover ingredients. It'll do it itself, and it's awesome. There are also durable stainless steel blades, as well as long-lasting knives resistant to bending and blunting. This fella delivers a top-level premium performance, wrapped up in a durable casing and the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.